in rural Lincolnshire today at a 19th century farmhouse. The heating system in the property has been upgraded from a traditional gas boiler, which has been removed, and we've replaced it with an ideal HP290 air source heat pump, hot water cylinder with halo controls.
The house is in fairly good condition, but it had single glazing, no insulation, traditional gas boiler. It was very difficult to maintain a temperature in the house. You're constantly using gas, and with energy costs being what they are, it was a costly house to maintain. To enhance the whole ecosystem of the house that we had, the next sensible step for us was to have a heat pump installation.
So we work with Ideal Heating because their expertise in the heating market. Their HP290 heat pump was perfect for this project, along with our underfloor heating overlay system. With the heat pump, we managed to bring that flow temperature right the way down. We're currently working around about 35 degrees, providing somewhere in the region of about 1.4 kilowatts extra output across the whole property. So your underfloor heating and your heat pump works very, very well together.
In terms of customer support, I think it's one of the things that sets us apart at Ideal. We will support your journey through an installation from the start to the end, and that would include an assisted commission. After the installation, you get dedicated customer services team to give you full parts and labour warranty, using dedicated heat pump service technicians to give you 100% peace of mind.
When it came to commissioning at the end of the job, Ideal provide this really nifty little memory stick which comes out in an envelope with the manual. So you turn the power off, plug it directly into the unit, turn the power back on, and when it reboots, it loads up probably 80 to 90% of the settings, so commissioning is really straightforward.
As soon as we transitioned to turning the whole system on, with conjunction of the insulated walls and the underfloor heating, the whole house transformed. It feels modern with the characteristics of a Victorian house. The house now feels like a comfortable home to live in.
For more information on the Ideal HP290 heat pump, please contact your local Ideal area sales manager.